Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check your reservation in Airbnb. Once you're logged in, you just want to come here to the top right and click on your profile icon. So you can either find it through the messages. Okay, let me open this up. And this is your inbox. You should find a welcome message from your host. So that confirms your reservation. You can go ahead and check using that. Or what you can do is come in the top right. Okay, click on your profile icon again. And then all you need to do is come here and click on trips. And here you'll be able to see all the reservations you've made, the exact date, the exact location, the exact property. And if you're not booked anything yet, you can go ahead and search for bookings to do. Right, just choose the location and go ahead and book your stay. And if you are new, what you can do is you can filter by instant booking. Okay, and you'll be able to book these properties instantly.